Hey guys, I see something cool. Check this out. Trying to walk here. So I'm all on ice. This is my first time on YouTube. And not sure what to do or say. Kind of camel shy, but whoa, I just slipped. Okay, almost there. And then yep, this here is my backyard and stuff. And that it's like going in the woods. A bunch of deer back here. Once in a while I'll see a bear or so, but and that I have clear permission just to do all this. And let's see if we be able to see the river. It's gonna be pretty cool actually when I get started. And not sure if you guys can see it, but there she is, the river. I think there's a lot of fish in that river. And it's gonna be pretty cool. If you like the video, please hit subscribe or give me a thumbs up. Please leave a comment, and I'll see you later. This is P.E.D. Fishing. Thank you. Bye.